So I want to put a starty topper on the top of my Christmas tree and made of wood. First of all, I have to construct 72 degrees because that's the middle. It's 360 divided by 5, 72. First you have to put a line, divide it to half. Cross line, that's our middle. Let's make a circle. We also have to divide it half. We already have one circle, so we just need to use the same distance. Here and here. Light is coming from the other direction and I want to be very accurate. So this is half. Now use this distance project it down here, and now this distance will be what you need around the circle. So you start in one point, also the other direction. Let's start again from here. It has to be it's a little bit not that, little bit bigger should be. When I would be very accurate, it would be the same distance all. But it's close enough. I will do it from wood. So now you have this point, which is this one. This one. And if you together, that's a regular pentagon. There is and you don't count this one. Okay. Now you want if you want to make a star, this will be the points of the star, the outside, and I want to do like this, so I need an inner circle here, which would be smaller than the half of it, so maybe that kind of. and I have to divide all angles. So this one, it should be the opposite of this. I only need this point here. Okay, let's make this 5 times. That's already I have. Now we have the star. Hope you can see that. You can also cut it out, glue it on your workpiece, but I have this angle transformer. Just use that. Transfer it to your workpiece. I will use this one. I already measured these distances here. Use 12 centimeters. Cut it out on the bend, so make it 5 times and you have a star.